Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about building network marketing business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Building network marketing business online. Where to start? Building network marketing business online means you're focusing on building your website, gaining members and driving traffic to your site. Building a strong list of clients who are comfortable with your work and services can be very lucrative. All good business owners know that the sales pitch is key. Selling is what gets your product or service sold. If you don't have your leads ready to be sold, you're not going to sell. If you don't know how to do this, you won't waste your time. Why? Because your leads can get turned away because they didn't have the time to talk to you about your offerings. A lot of business owners know that by using social media marketing strategies, they will be able to take their leads and attract new clients. Social media strategies are not so expensive, but you can still make money with them if you apply it properly. There are free marketing and internet marketing experts that can teach you everything you need to know about using social media, and even other business and internet marketing strategies. These experts will teach you how to market your business in a way that will help generate leads and convert them into customers. Using social media and the internet for your marketing needs is very popular these days. But you have to know how to use the different networking channels that are available to help market your company. People are becoming more active in their social media accounts these days. Using social media can provide you with a solid way to market your company. It is a good place to share information about your company, and you can also get social bookmarks from your customers or clients, which you can use for building your list of prospects. Networking has been proven to be a successful marketing and advertising technique. It doesn't matter if your marketing campaign is expensive or inexpensive, but what matters is your ability to get traffic, build relationships and promote yourself. Building a network marketing business online is easy when you use all the different methods available. You just have to focus on marketing and advertising your products and services effectively. Your first step to building your network marketing business online is finding the right places for your ads and marketing efforts. Social media sites, email marketing, content marketing. Posting your content on your blog and getting guest blogs from others are all important for building your list of leads. Posting and publishing articles that you create is another way to promote yourself and build your brand and network marketing business. By doing this, people will find your brand and start using your services and products. Do not forget that advertising is what can help bring in more business for your business. The most important thing to remember is to build a solid foundation for your marketing and advertising campaign before getting too involved with internet marketing strategies. Business network marketing secrets: how to create more money with your network marketing business. So many of us think that building network marketing business opportunities are very easy. However, I have some news for you. That is not the case at all. There are 3 things that you need to take into consideration before you start with any business. One of them is your product or service. The second one is your competition. Now, there is a 4th thing that you need to be aware of. That is your disadvantage. These 4 things are called advantages and disadvantages, and it's important that you know what advantages and disadvantages you might face when you're starting a network marketing business. The advantage is that your potential customers are drawn to you. They like you, they think that you are kind of weird and crazy, but they go for you. You attract customers that they normally wouldn't go after. Now, this can be both good and bad for you. One of the advantages could be that you can add customers faster than your competitors and get those customers from your own customer base. This will bring you more money in terms of income per month in a year, and your brand name will also get better. Now you should be very careful though, because the disadvantages of your opportunity can be the downfall of your business. If you are a brilliant marketer and a master marketer, then you might have the ability to build a huge business within a few weeks, but if you are not, you might end up losing your entire company. One disadvantage that you should watch out for is that the right way of doing a marketing plan may bring you good business, but it will also take the right people away. In other words, you'll get a good flow of customers and not necessarily a lot of sales. And even if you do get a good flow of customers, you will lose your ability to keep them if you don't develop the right selling system for them. Once you gain your first few potential clients, you have no choice but to expand to your new target market, which is your salespeople and future sales leads. Of course, you can market your services and products. However, what you really need to do is invest in yourself and your products with the right techniques. Your strategy will do the rest. It doesn't matter how much work you do, if you don't have a strategy, then your prospects will stop going to you. Your customers will recognize that you're good at what you do and they will come to you because they trust you, and that's good for you. Once you do that, they will turn into loyal customers, and if you don't have a strategy, then you can't develop that loyalty. Sometimes small business opportunities are not all that great. They give you a good product and a good marketing scheme, but what does it really mean? They give you something that you think will work, and if you are just talking, then you are not going to make a profit. Instead, you need to make sure that you do something that is going to help you build a huge business, and that is where your marketing technique comes in. Without marketing, you will struggle to make your business grow because you won't get the traffic to your website. Building network marketing business with network marketing tools. In building a network marketing business, it is essential to have the right network marketing tools. Network marketing business tools help people who are in the network marketing business to meet each other, buy products and services from each other, promote each other's businesses, and make it possible for both of them to get more profits from each other. A good way to find out what network marketing tools are available to you is to browse the internet. Most network marketing tools are online in some form. Social networking sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter are just a few of them. This will allow you to become connected with potential customers. Business directory sites such as Yahoo and Google are another way to get information on network marketing tools. These sites can provide you with information about company stocks, stocks of their distributors, business details, and other information that will help you. Forums are a great place to look for network marketing tools and to get advice about network marketing. Most forums are free to use, which means you don't have to pay any money to join in and ask questions. A good internet search engine will return you with a list of sites that will help you find tools and techniques. This list can include social networking sites as well as business directories, information on investing and stocks, mentoring, and buying and selling. Once you have all of the information you need, you can decide which ones you want to get. After all, there are a lot of different things that can help you in your network marketing business. It is important to make sure that you don't end up spending a lot of money on tools that don't help you in your network marketing business. You can spend a lot of money on these tools, but if you are not going to use them or that tool, then you will be wasting your money. Building a network marketing business can take time, so it is important to remember to take the time to gather the information you need. Also, try to find resources that will provide you with ideas for you to use in your network marketing business. A good resource for ideas for marketing and for making sales is something called eBooks for Sale. This eBooks for Sale website has a variety of topics on marketing that you can use to market your business and make sales. There are also business coaching programs that can help you in your network marketing business. These programs will teach you how to use internet marketing techniques to improve your business. If you are a person who wants to start a network marketing business, then you need to be aware of these network marketing tools. This will allow you to be more successful and to build a business that will last. Building network marketing business with only a little money. So, you are starting your own network marketing business? That is great. I know how challenging it can be to start a network marketing business. This article will help you start your network marketing business. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have a target market that you can market to. Next, you need to have the proper tools in order to properly market to your target market. You will need to determine what tools you need for your network marketing business. We recommend that you purchase a web marketing plan. When starting your network marketing business, you will need to know what keywords and phrases to include in your ad copy. Most people assume that they can write whatever they want in their ads, but there is only so much room. You need to find a niche for your business that you have knowledge about. Market this niche with your ads. Tell your prospects to click on your ad. There are many people who think that you need to spend a lot of money on advertising, but you don't. This is because you can use AdWords, which is free. Another free keyword tool is Google's keyword tool. Use it to find the right keywords for your product. You will need to also create unique ads. There are two ways you can do this. You can use the software or you can use your own workstation. We recommend that you use the software. This will ensure that you come up with a unique ad copy. Using your own computer is only going to take you so far. With your computer, you will need to install certain programs, like PPC or pay-per-click. These are needed for pay-per-click advertising. To understand pay-per-click, you need to understand what is a landing page. A landing page is where you will drive traffic to your site. Pay-per-click is the amount you will pay for every click on your ad. You will be able to see how much you are going to pay for your advertisements. Sell this information to others and build a reputation for yourself. You can do this by putting your own ad out there. You should be able to find other advertisers to place your ad for you. Building a network marketing business is not easy. It takes time and effort. If you want to make it a success, you will need to put in the effort. Thanks for watching my video about building network marketing business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.